Hey, what is up, guys? It is Meat Sandwich coming back to you with another Unturned, and I don't know if you guys noticed this, but right over here is a gas can. Gas cans are fantastic because then we can fill up our car. I apologize if you hear my Skype beeping. I was just messaging a friend earlier, but if I alt-tab out of the game to check my messages, it stops my recording, and so I am not doing so. Yes. So he might continue to message me, and I'm going to apologize ahead of time. But so where we left off is we got to this farm, and I said I was going to head over there and try and make a little home base. Also, today is the same day that I recorded the other video, so I recorded my other one before the Seahawks game, and now I'm recording this one after the Seahawks game. And if anybody watched it, you would know how amazing it was, because it was probably one of the best things in the world. Yeah, it was a great game, and Seahawks are going to Super Bowl. Yeah, I'm excited. But so let's go and make this house. 17.5 kilogram carry weight. That's fantastic. I'm gonna go into this barn and drop all of my items, and then I'm gonna come out here and just chop up as much wood as I can because I need it. Do I still not have a canteen? What's that? Oh, that's a pole rail. Got all these quick scopes. But people are still at my house from the Super Bowl, or from the Seahawks game rather, and so if they start getting all rowdy and yelly, that is why, and I'm apologizing now. Also, if somebody comes into my room, I'm going to mute my mic and probably talk to them, so if I just go silent, that's probably what happened. Do civilian bullets stack? Nice. They do. It's fantastic. Jeez, I found a lot of civilian bullets. Okay. Now we're going to do this dropping. I think there needs to be an easier way to drop items, because as of currently you have to just drop them all like this. You know, and if you have a stack of any of them, you have to drop them one by one. Oh, I need to put that down. Oh wait, no, I don't want to put my cot down yet, because if I'm going to be making a home, I've got to have my cot with me. I've got to have my cot for my home. Yeah, so I'm going to go out and chop down some trees. Gotta take a sip of my soda. Also, in that last episode, I was saying how items despawn and when you log out, and then they'll respawn when you come back. It's the same thing with trees. If you chop down trees, they will not respawn until you log out, and then you can log back in and then have the trees fully grown again. One thing that I absolutely need, so I'm gonna make like one storage each thing, but then after that, one thing that I absolutely need is a handsaw, because as of currently, I'm gonna get not very many sticks. As you can see, I only have 8, and I think it takes like 16 sticks or something like that to make a chest. I'm not making a crate, I'm making a chest. But with a handsaw you can turn one log into 4 boards, and then each of those boards into 4 sticks. So you can make a total of 16 sticks from one log. And it's super, super helpful. But I think once I get enough to make a chest, I'll put actually maybe like 2 or 3 chests. Oh wow, I missed the tree like 3 times there. I don't know why I spin in a circle, I just feel like it, I don't know, I just feel like it's a natural thing to have to do. Spin around in a circle while chopping down a tree. And as you can see, the reason I emptied my backpack before I came out is because, look, I'm already at 8 kilograms. Like, the logs weigh a lot. See, I'm at 8.02. Took up a log and it's at 8.42. So each one is 0.4 kilograms. And if you're going to get like 30 of them, that's, you know, a lot of weight. And so having all the other items in your inventory is not so good. This series I'm definitely going to try and like stick with a lot more than my Minecraft series. I don't know, I just with Feed the Beast, I don't know, I feel like I play it, I get really into it for a couple of days, and then I just never play it again until like 2 years later. And so I feel like it was almost a little bit dumb for me to even start a Feed the Beast thing, knowing that I was probably not going to finish it. And so I do apologize for just leaving that, but I don't know, you might not expect to I would just suggest to not expect to see a video for that anytime ever. I might someday be like, you know what, I really feel like playing Feed the Beast, and so then I'll, you know, like make a video of it or something, but don't get your hopes up for it or anything, because I don't know, I just play it and then get bored and then don't play it ever again. So, the reason I upgraded my crafting there was because you need to make the crates, I think. I believe. Not positive. But, let's see. Go to crafting. Sticks. Convert all of them into these supports. And then craft all of them into these crosses. And then take these and... I don't know, that might be all I need. Put those there, and these here. Oh, that's not what I want. Oh, the wooden frames, that's what I want. Crate. Crate. Oh, shoot. I don't have enough sticks to even make... Yeah, because you need this and 3 crosses. So, I guess for now I'm just going to put these crates down. And then this is another thing I need to fix. I don't need to... I shouldn't have to do that. I need to put the things down that I don't think I'm going to need at all on my journeys in here. I don't think I'll need my cloth. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take my cloth with me. I doubt that I'll need my military bullets, considering I don't need them anyways. I'll put this there and that there. So I need my fire axe, put that there, put this here. Torch there, gas can there. Definitely sounded like there's a zombie. I was like, I was like, I knew I heard one. It's getting dark, unfortunately. I wish in this game you could see better, but unfortunately you can't. So it's the best I got for you. I'm just gonna head over here and grab my car really quick, because also the big tank that I found the gas can near, it's full of gas, and so you can just fill up on gas while you're there. That's pretty nice. Go and look at me just running for days. I'll say filling up cars is a bit of a timely process, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna go to this village, or this town over here. Just because I feel like it's a lot better. And I feel like I want to try and get a new car that's faster. Because this truck is really not that fast. Oh, but yeah, we're going to go over to this village because there's a pharmacy here, and I'm really hoping to find some purification tablets so I can make a canteen, because I need a canteen. Once you get a canteen and seeds, you're set. Like, you're almost unstoppable. Especially if you have, like, a fire axe like I do. Ooh, I jumped out of the car a little prematurely, I think, there. Was this not the right place? Oh, there's the pharmacy. I was like, what's this? Yes, purification tablets. Oh! I'm gonna take the dressing. And just munch. Crafting. Now we can finally grab our purification tablets and our moldy bottled water and get a bottled water. Oh, whoops. Need to hit the craft button. And you can craft the moldy bottled water, or the regular bottled water, and a can, and get a canteen. Whew. There's that. Now let me equip and eat this. Any more foods? Nope. Okay, I was just trying to fill up on the food stuff. But I have no more food. Not on me, at least. Wow. Now that I have a gas can, I find 2 more. Oh, yep. People are whooping and hollering down there. Well, is that a 3rd gas can? God. Please tell me that's not 4 gas cans in this one little town. That's ridiculous. Just regular bottled water, which is nice. It brings me all the way down. think those cards over there are supposed to be really fast. I was juking all my shots. What in the world is a wooden shutter? Ooh. Oh, that's cool. I made myself a little makeshift door. I obviously didn't care enough about it to do anything with it, but I made myself a makeshift door. I'm also going to try and get back into making and posting League of Legends videos because, I mean, pretty much all I play is League of Legends. And I figured I may as well record and post them, right? So, I'm thinking I'm going to try and get back into that. And yeah, that's pretty much all. But for now we're going to be focusing on Unturned. Because this game is really high quality actually, like, especially for being a free game on Steam. It's incredible that they have done all this stuff for a free game. Which I can't say is the reason I bought the $5 or paid the $5 for it. I'm just gonna say that I did it because I am weird like that, and I always, if I find a game and I play it and I really like it, I will almost always spend the money on it just because I do. But I definitely, like, if I hadn't paid the $5 I would do so now, because it's incredible what they have done with this game. Canned ham. And if this by chance doesn't bring me to 100 or 0%, nice it did. Let me just grab this milk really quick and there we go. Now everything's at 0 and my health is at 100. I feel like a new man. Oh, you spooked me. No, but this Unturned, I posted the video, and then I checked to see like if anybody had watched it yet, and that was 2 hours after I'd posted it, and I already had 7 views. Which, if anybody who's like a YouTuber or anything hears me say that, they'll be like, 7? Wow, congratulations. But I mean, considering the only people that have subscribed to my channel are people that I know, it's kind of incredible to get 7 views within 2 hours of posting my video. Like, it feels good, you know, to know that people will watch this, that I'm entertaining them. But yeah, and I'm really hoping to maybe do a group thing, like of me and a couple of friends. Definitely, like, post in the comments if you would rather me, like, start over right now while it's new and fresh and I haven't done much anyways, and just start with a group of people so we have like a collaboration thing, or would you rather me just continue this series for what it is right now? Are you kidding me? I just found a canteen? No! I just made a canteen. Like, I went through so much effort to make that canteen, and then frickin' that happens. They're like, yeah, here's a canteen for you. So dumb. Okay, well, it looks like I've looted this town to pretty much its fullest extent. I'm gonna try and make it to the naval base now so I can hopefully get a handsaw, because I need one. Actually, I'm just gonna go wherever the road takes me. because I can't remember, to be honest with you, whether the military bases to my right or to my left. I know like the farms are to my left, but then past the farms is another town, and right outside of that town there's the naval base, maybe, but it might also be this town, so I don't remember which one it is. So whichever way this goes, I will be able to figure out which way the naval base is, the military base or whatever you want to call it. Go this way. You know what? Let's take an adventure and go this way. Where does this go? Is this maybe like the golf courses or something? Where is this? Have I ever been here before? I don't know if I've ever actually been here before. Kind of reminds me of like the start to the golf course place with these little shacks, but the tents are new. That's for sure. Ooh, another 6x zoom scope, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. Wow. So little. Huh. It's had relatively nothing to offer me, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's just a little campground, at which I didn't expect much. Ooh, but here's a little dirt path leading to a dock. Oh yeah, I've never been out here before. That's kind of exciting. Ooh, another boat. Is there nothing in this boat? Is there just a green glow stick out here? Like, I feel like if this game was like real life, I feel like the question I would ask myself is, who just leaves a green glow stick on the end of a dock? You know, like, just a green glow stick. They were like, dang it, gotta lose my green glow stick. I gotta put it down here on this dock. That's probably what went through their mind. But now that we've also raided this little place, let us go back here. God, this car backs up so slow. And that was exciting enough, I've never been there before, so it's kind of cool. I think we're going to take another right here and just see where it takes us. Alright, that's a long road. This is just right here. Oh, I've been here before. Maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and pop you in the head. So that way, hopefully it attracts like the majority of the village. I always forget that I can power swing and one-shot these guys. Which, if you guys didn't know, power swinging costs, I think, like 5 energy or something. Oh, well, when you've maxed out your stamina. Which reminds me. There we go. Or your endurance. I apologize. But when you've maxed out your endurance, it takes like 1 of your energy bars. Rucksack, that's what I have. See, I saw the knapsack and I was like, is that another knapsack? But realizing that what I have is not a knapsack, it is a rucksack. Chocolate bar, chocolate bar. moldy potato. Now I need some liquids. I don't know, I'm trying to see if any of these cars are faster than what I have. Wow, this is so bright. The sun just illuminating off of these houses is ridiculously bright. Is it already coming here at all? Or? If I did, I can see why I left everything there. Moldy corn. Oh, hi. Your new one? Yep. I have civilian bullets, so I should be able to take this gun, take the bonjour clip out, and put crafting, put nice those there, bonjour clip there, craft it, T, bonjour clip, boom, boom. Sniping makes me think of Modern Warfare 2. Because I love sniping in Modern Warfare 2. It's so fun. Got civilian bullets, yes. Sniping in Modern Warfare 2 is amazing. You just use the intervention and quick scope and it's great fun. So you gotta be like a quick scoper champ like this and bam. Oh, I actually headshotted him. I'm thoroughly actually amazed that I got that. Thoroughly amazed. I missed it. Okay, one thing I don't like is that you have to do that and then you have to like take the clip out like that. Oh, darn it, I actually just used 2 civilian bullets. This car very fast. Wow, this car's really slow actually. Whee! That's how you rid the world of cars. Another direction. That is more duct tape. So really nothing has come out of this adventure here. I'm fairly certain that the military base is not even over here. Because I know that the golf course is at Summerside Peninsula. That's where the golf course is. We came from the farms down at the bottom. And yeah, Berrywood is the... Berrywood and the military base are that one. Yeah, I should have looked at my map. Oh well. One thing that I kind of want to do here is take out... Oh, that's my canteen. Oh, you can't fill it up at a fire hydrant. Let me get my gas can. And this is my car, right? Yep. My gas can's full, so I can put that in there. And then now my gas can's empty, and I can Oh, can I not siphon the gas out of these cars because they don't have enough or something? Okay, there we go. Full. Nice. Okay, so now I've got a full gas tank and a full gas can. These curbs are tricky. I'm gonna go to the, because I know that to my left is the golf course, and I don't really want to go to the golf course. I want to go over here. No, I never checked this. Is there anything even worth coming in here for? Military bullets, sandbags. I want to go this way, so I don't know if I've ever been this way. Yeah, well, I'll just see where this road takes us. Or is this taking me to the golf course? No, this is. Oh, is this the airport maybe? My goodness, there's a lot of commotion right there. Oh wait, is this the golf course? Yeah, this is the golf course. That looks like one of those really fast cars. How about you don't do that? Why couldn't you juke me? You're not allowed to juke me, you're zombies. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this car's so much faster. Oh. 5. This gas can is full. 43%. And look at this. Now we can just siphon the gas out of this one and put it right into this one. Oh god, that actually scared me a lot. Where did you come from? Why did you make no noise? Zombies OP. 68%. Oh, did I just not actually? Yep. Apparently I canceled the animation of it. 93%. 40%. Okay. Just gonna take some gas out of that one. Put it in there and then take the rest of the gas. Empty, but shouldn't this still have some in it? Oh, but I don't think I can take it. Yeah, I can't take it out of there. Okay. Oh well. More civilian bullets, which reminds me I should 4T, take the bonjour clip out, crafting, bonjour clip, civilian bullets, craft, reload. Katana, Swift magazine. I'm gonna drive the truck for as much gas as it has down to, or down the golf course, because the golf course takes a while to get down. Buckshots. Oh, those poles are very solid apparently. Multicorn. I think each of the golf legs has a spawn item. For that one, just had a golf ball. Torch. Oh, have I done it? One thing that I think they need to fix about this game is how easily you can get stuck on things. To be honest, I didn't even see that one. That little zombie there. Didn't even really see it. That was weird that you guys weren't attacking me. There's a work light. Magnum. Suck on my Magnum, Joseph. Did I pick up the Magnum? I feel like I did, because I felt like I wanted to. So did I? I wanted to, but I apparently just didn't. Oh well. Well, now I'll have to show you guys the car jack, because the car jack is beautiful. Any more zombies anywhere that I can just shoot with this Magnum? I feel like I'm really low to the ground. Well, you know what? I think this video has been going for quite a while. Oh, the weight. BAM! I think this video has been going for quite a while now. And so I think we'll leave it off at I looted this lighthouse. And I think we will end the video with showing you this car jack on this truck. Bam! Look at that. It's so great. Bang! It's so beautiful. And then look, it's in perfect working condition. But yeah, I think we will call it a day for right now. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.